Hello everyone, this is Fahim bin Amin. In today's video, I'm gonna give a short introduction on various types of Java. In Java programming language, there are basically two categories, or you can say two types, and let me introduce you to them. And the first type is the primitive type, and the second type is the reference type. We handle complex systems in reference type, but if I want to show you something from the Stack Overflow, if I'm not mistaken, then they tell us that primitive type is basically used for storing simple values. The main reason primitive data type are there because creating object, allocating heap is too costly and there is a performance penalty for it. As you may know, primitive data types like integer, float, etc. are mostly used, so making them as objects would have been huge performance hit, and so therefore we use primitive type there. Alright, and about the second type, that is reference type, they tell us that reference data types in Java are those which contains reference or address of dynamically created objects. These are not predefined like primitive data type. Following are the reference types in Java like class type. This reference type points to an object of a class. Now I know that many of these might seem boring or might feel like some complex stuff. Don't worry about it because I'm gonna explain all of them in the later videos. So this is very short video for today. See you in another video.